Top of the chest. And all the way up. It's Busta Rhymes. Give me 20 now. What's funny? Where you at? What's so funny? Why?
That's something I have to explain later.
Ready? Go. Knees up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Come on now. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Good. Hammer curls. What? Well, won't you get them together then? What's happening? What's happening right now? Say it again so everybody can go. Come on, let's go. Hammer curls. Same time. Hammers. All the way down, all the way up.